Hey y'all, we up at TJ Maxx looking around, see what they got up in here. So I'm just bringing you along to see what I find. I actually came in here because I wanted to try to find. Oh, these is cute, y'all. Intro is aborted. These is cute. Look at that. $14.99 for them though. That blue right there is cute too. $20. Wow, but they cute though. Okay, anyway. Yeah, we over here trying to see what they got. $14.99 for that one there. No, this was probably about 18. Ooh, $24.99 for that one there. $5.99 for this here. That ain't bad. Might can find something else to go with that. Let's see what else they got up in here. Oh, this look like a little clearance section. About to miss it. Let's see what they got over here. Not seeing anything yet. We got some little plants up here. They 26 and 38 and okay. Let's see. I got these lamps here. It says flowers down here. I ain't really looking for those. Let me see. We got blue and green. Don't have to. I just got some of these right here on sale. The ones I'm gonna have to do a haul for y'all. You see these $29.99 in here, but I found them for $5.99. Then I had $5 store credit, so I got 2 pillows for $7 and some change. I couldn't beat that in Bells, y'all. I ain't show y'all because I didn't think I was gonna find none in Bells, but I was like, I can't keep leaving y'all out, honey, leaving y'all in the car and stuff. It's too hot outside, so I decided to bring y'all on in the store with me over here so y'all don't miss nothing else, because I can't be doing y'all like that. And I ain't. $32 for that. I'm just looking to see what I found. $79 for that bill. They had this. Oh no, y'all saw. No, y'all didn't see it. They had one over in what's the name? That was so pretty over in Bells, but it was a queen size and it was $30-something for the comforter set. I was mad. I ain't have my size. How much these is? $19.99 for 2 rugs. Let's see what else. They got some curtains here. $16.99 for those there. Okay. I ain't really got the color that I'm looking for out yet. I think it's probably gonna be a little while before the color that I'm looking for actually be in the stuff. But that pink there is too cute. That is too cute right there for that pink. I don't see that spice color. Alrighty, y'all. So go down this way real quick, and then I'm finna get on up out of here. Go down here, see what they got. Any bowls or anything. That is cute there. Now that's nice. $24.99 for that. Got these here. $9.99 for these here. It said apples and stuff on there. I don't really need it because I know I ain't gonna sit no food out on no counter. No ma'am. Oh, they got some little flowers back here. Okay. Then I want to see what I want though in the flowers. Let me see over here. Do they got some bowls or anything? No, they ain't got no bowls here. I'm trying to be in and out, y'all. How much these is in here? These was $9.99. Oh, they $12.99 for these. Look at those right there. Okay. So they ain't got nothing there. I'm gonna stop and go. Stop at City Tree and see what they got. They got these here gold serving spoons. They $5.99. No. Are you kidding me? $5.99 for those. I really don't need it though. I really don't need it. How much is this here? $12.99. That ain't bad. That ain't bad though. Let's see. Trying to eliminate me some stuff off of my counter and take the ones that's on the counter outside. Okay. All right, let's go down here and see what they got real quick. I think they got I haven't really seen the clearance aisle yet. In the clearance aisle, normally in the other store be on the last aisle here. Oh no, we running into. We're running into shoes too. So, all right, y'all. So that's it for this store. I'm gonna take y'all into City Trends, and we're gonna see what they got in City Trends, and that's it for this here. Yeah, and that's it. Once we go into City Trends, so hold tight, don't go nowhere. Y'all make sure y'all hit that thumbs up, that like button. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to hype up the video. But yeah, we gonna get ready to go over here and City Trends and look and see what they got, and then we'll close out this video. Oh, shucks. Y'all, we headed into City Trends, C-I-T-I. City Trends is fashion for less. We about to go in City Trends, see what they got. See what they got. I hope they got some, because I let her drop me off while she go and do what she was going to do. Smells good in here. Hi. Alright, let me see. I'm gonna just look around. See what they got in here. They got perfumes too though. I don't know. See, I ain't got time because I like what I like when it comes to my perfume. They got a clearance section here. What are these? Look like, do this, is it a necklace? Yeah, that's necklace. I was gonna say, look like something that go on your purse, child. This here's a large. Some Levi underwear. Oh, they got little knives right here for $7. Nope. I'll pass on those. Damn. Okay. All right, let's keep on going. Let's see what they got back here. Hopefully they got something. She putting out some stuff. Hi. Putting out some stuff. I wonder if I can find a comforter in here or something. They got these here little things here. They $14.99 for those. This must be them bees that hang up at the door. Yep, that's what they is. For $12.99. Oh, they hang like a curtain too. That's neat. I about thought about it. Got these little elephants here. Let's see. $24.99. She said I see some silver stuff. Let her know, but I don't think she gonna get that right there. I got these here for $6.99 here. $29.99 for him. Let's see what else they got up in here. Let's see what else they got. I don't see nothing yet, y'all. They got some burgundy curtains. I was trying to tell Mama to do burgundy with her stuff. But Mama told me, I don't want no burgundy. $12.99. I don't know. Let me call her and see if she like it on one of these here.